Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today, on Monday in the daily newspaper of February the 24th, we have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. I see here 4 9's, so let's begin with the 9's. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for 9 is here or there. What I see here, 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here a 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. The only two places for 9 is here or there, but I see here already a 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then, a 3 in this row, a 3 in the third row, so in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 3 should be here. A 6 in the first row, a 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only two places for a 6 is here or there, but I see here already a 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here a 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. The only place for the 9 should be here. Then a 9 in this column, a 9 in the third column, so in the second column, the only two places for the 9 is here or there, but I see here already a 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for a 9 is here or there, but I see here already a 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, let me see. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these two boxes. I see there 1, so no 1 in this box. One box remains for the 1. This should be this one. Then yes, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these two boxes. I see there 1, so no 1 in this box. I see there 1, so no 1 in this box. One box remains for the 1, should be this one. Alright. And then let me see. We have a pair, I believe, in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8, but also one of the missing number is a 2. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. I see there an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. The same with the 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. I see there 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So we have 2 boxes left for the 8 and the 2. So we have a pair, 8 and a 2, 8 and a 2. That means a 3 in this column, a 3 in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 3 should be here. I cannot place the 3 here because these two boxes are reserved for the 8 and the 2. So the 3 must be here. Then yes, 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for a 7 is here or there. But this box is reserved for the 8 and the 2, same like this box. So one box remain for the 7 should be this one. Alright, so the other 3 numbers are 5, 6, and 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in this box. The 4 should be one of these two boxes. So we have a 4 in this column, we have a 4 in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then yes, in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here a 7, so no 7 there. I see there a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. So we have a 2 and an 8, 2 and an 8. In this column, also 2 and an 8, 2 and an 8. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 8 goes here. One missing number of this big square for the number 6. Then because we have a 2, so this must be an 8 because we have a pair. The missing numbers here for this big square are the numbers 6, 4, and 5. I see here 6 and a 4, so no 6 and a 4 in this box. This should be a 5. Here we have 6 and a 4, 6 and a 4. We have there a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes here. One box remain for this column for the number 5. 3 missing numbers for this big square for the numbers 1, 2, and 7. I see here 1 and 7, so 1 digit left for this box is the number 2. Here we have 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and then 1 goes here. One missing number in this third row for the number 2. Then 2 missing numbers here for this row for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes here. And then 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and 3. Yes, 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for a 7 is here, here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. See here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. The numbers are 5, 6, and 3. 5, 6, and 3. I see here 6, so no 6 there. I see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 3, I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 digit left for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 3 and 4. I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers here for the numbers 3 and 9. No, we have a 9 there. 3 and a 2. 3 and a 2. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes here. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 8. Then 2 missing numbers here in the first column for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5, we see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And then 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 1. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second column for the numbers 8 and 2. 8 and 2. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes for this Sudoku Medium. If you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself or solve it by yourself. It rests me to say thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for a new edition of Sudoku. Thank you and bye-bye.